The Z-Edge Z3 Pro uses supercapacitors instead of batteries, so you'll never have to worry about your dash cam overheating again. Equipped with dual lenses, both the exterior and interior are captured in HD. The lens features viewing angles of up to 150 degrees for the front-facing unit, and the rear camera is rotatable for additional coverage. Includes GPS logging to map out your every move. Auto on and off ensures the camera starts rolling the moment your vehicle does. Drive smarter today.
Speed and red light camera ahead. Speed limit is 70 miles per hour. Mobile speed camera zone.
Camera Zone.
A119 V3, the best bang for your buck dash cam of 2023. Recommended by Dash Cam Talk. Best all-around camera, excellent video quality, buffered parking mode, discreet and reliable. The rotatable lens allows you to easily find the best recording angle. Sony Starvis IMX335 image sensor brings excellent performance in all lighting conditions. Support 1440p 60 fps high-quality video recording, parking mode, GPS, and etc. A119 V3 has HDR function which effectively solves the overexposure issues, delivering more real-life image and improving license capture on the move. Optional CPL can be installed for removing reflections and glare from windshield. It has 140-degree view angle and also GPS logger to record speed and location data into the videos. Viofo Dash Cam, pioneer in dash cam imaging since 2010.
If you spend time on the road, you are bound to witness irresponsible driving. And no matter how careful you are, you can always be affected by another driver's bad decisions. To avoid paying for the actions of irresponsible drivers, you need a device which you can always rely on as a personal eyewitness. The Rexing V1 has been that device, proving itself time and time and time again as a necessary addition to vehicles everywhere. Reliable, intuitive, and immensely powerful, the Rexing V1 offers several exceptional qualities which distinguish it as a top-rated dash cam. The discreet design of the incredibly lightweight body features a low-profile form, making it practically invisible to other drivers. The camera records full HD footage with an immensely wide 170-degree field of view, capturing everything with absolute clarity. Using wide dynamic range technology, the V1 can automatically adapt to any light condition, day or night. Rather than use a standard lithium-ion battery, the Rexing V1 camera is powered by a supercapacitor to guarantee you long-term reliability in even the most extreme temperatures. The camera also features a 2.4-inch LCD screen, which you can use to play back your recordings at any time. And sharing your footage has never been easier, thanks to the camera's built-in Wi-Fi. The Rexing app interface allows you to quickly and easily transfer your clips directly to your phone or tablet. Document your driving experiences with a personal eyewitness that's always there when you need it. Highly functional and always reliable, the Rexing V1 offers peace of mind to responsible drivers everywhere.
Hi, it's Lee from Nextbase. I'm going to talk to you about our 222 dash cam 1080p resolution, bringing high definition to everyone. Let's take a closer look. The second model up, the 222, features full high-definition 1080p for even greater clarity whether you're zooming in on number plates or even street signs. The 2.5-inch screen makes it fantastic for setup alongside these really tactile buttons, and also playback, or you can use your laptop to play back and edit any footage you have captured. The 140-degree viewing angle means that everything is captured in your eyesight and it's always recording that evidence for you. The intelligent parking mode means that even when you are away from your car, if there is a jolt or an impact detected, this will start recording and capturing absolutely everything. So let's take a look at this in the car. Now, it was very important to our engineers that this was the simplest camera to put into your car and take out at the end of the day. And with our click and go mount, you won't find any other dash cam that does this. As you can see, it's super easy to install our dash cams, and with our magnetic mount, it's as simple as clicking it in place, and when you're done, removing it. Installation, very simple indeed. The cables included, you run around your vehicle into the power outlet. We recommend our own microSD card, and this particular model will support up to 128 gigabytes. With a dash cam in your car, you can ensure that you and your family are kept safe, and you have proof in the event of any incident.